Hey guys, so it's about 3 a.m. or so, and I just got woken up to that weird ass noise again, and no one has really believed me when I said anything, so hopefully it's still going when I get on outside. This is like the third time it's woken me up, and I don't know what the fuck it is, so if someone could explain it, that'd be awesome. Oh fuck. Yeah. Sorry if it's really dark. I turn on my outdoor visibility on my phone. I don't think it's working. Okay. What the fuck is it? Like, okay, I'm gonna see if you guys can see. It sounds like it's coming from, like, not the center of town, but like past it, like the boondocks. Hold on. Yeah, you can't see much of anything out here, so much for outdoor visibility. I don't know if you could see behind me, but behind me is the road, and you can see cars passing by, and it's coming from the opposite way. And that's like north, about south of Mattawan. So more near the Portage area. It's like the third time that I've heard that noise, and I don't know what the fuck it is. I don't know if you can turn it around. You can't even see any light out there. I don't know what the fuck the sound is though. It's not an alarm. I mean, is it? No. It's not a fucking alarm. I've never heard that.